So this is it, guys. This is Chiller Academy, physical location, phase 1. There's a lot to do here. There's a lot to do for this space. I've got a lot to just document. We've got a lot of work ahead of us. For example, we got to paint these walls. I'm going to go with just a very brand aesthetic. We've got all these pillars we want to paint. We got the floor to do. I've got to customize my setup over there where I'm going to be teaching from, filming, do all that stuff. This section right here is going to be all classroom type setting. This is going to be one big open room here. I've got space where I can have my family come in while I come in and work and do what I need to here. They can come in, enjoy their space, have a homeschool space for the kids. There's so much to do and show and document. I'm gonna have you here for the whole journey. This first video, I'm not really sure what all I'm gonna throw in and how far I'm gonna get with it. The first things first, these first few weeks, we've got to get moved in. I'm gonna give you a tour in just a second. Just kind of a high level of what we're looking at here. But we're here, we've done it. It's gonna be so much. There's so much. It's gonna be awesome. Okay, so question number 1 is this oil-based or water-based? All right, so that paint coming off, talking to the paint people, means we have a water base. We also want to just do a quick test on this floor. Cool. Okay, so these are water-based. That makes repainting so much easier. Now time for the samples. I've got 2 shades of blue here and black, and that's the primary colors I'm looking at doing in this space. My current is, I'm thinking we're gonna go blue on the walls, black on the floor. There is a thought of, well, do we go black on the wall, blue on the floor? We're about to take these samples and see what our initial thoughts are. Given the contrast here, I'm definitely leaning towards the darker blue with the black floor. Now the black is actually not as black as I thought it would be, but it's still technically wet. It hadn't fully dried. It also doesn't help that it's surrounded by this kind of bluish gray. If I painted more of it out, it'd probably stand out better. Next clip, we start painting.
Yeah. It's one of the ones. Let go. Doubt it, I would make it, keep that energy. Try to do it how I do it, can't compare to me. Yeah, I'm on a different level, different pedigree. Remember how you chose them instead of me? Look at me now. God being had his hand on me. Trying to fit me in a box like my name Ali. I know you had to watch me become who I said I'd be. Who they sleeping on? It can't be me. Better wake up. Let me put you on. To me. I'm the one, yeah, you gon' see. You gon' see. I ain't got myself, no. You gon' see. I'ma make them all believe now. You gon' see. I was made for this moment, yeah, you gon' see. Yeah, look, let this be a lesson to the haters and the critics that's been doubting on the kid. Now I'm big time. And all I wanted was respect and the check. From these 16s, looking at my life, I see it's all mine. And I'm taking them to school on the principle. So don't get it confused while I'm trying to blow. But you know when they need it, when they call me. And I can get it on my own, yeah, it's all me. Who they sleeping on? It can't be me. Better wake up. Let me put you on. To me, I'm the one, yeah, you gon' see. You gon' see. I ain't done myself, no, you gon' see. I'ma make them all believe now. You gon' see. I was made for this moment, yeah, you gon' see. Yeah, I'm going in. Yeah, I'm going in. Counting up wins, run it back again. Count a few wins, then we spend it all. Get back to work, stack it up again. Never drop the ball. Year after year, I'm the one they call. Took a few L's, but I never fall. Not my fault, you're in none, and I never stall. Okay, my foot's on the gas, I ain't slowing down, get out the way. Okay, this heavy metal, and no, I cannot play it safe. No way, taking my spot on the throne, and I know do whatever it takes. Okay, this is the drive that separates the real from the fake.
All right, so close. Great, so we got an actual garage floor coating that we're putting down for this. Stuff is, it actually, the trim black and the garage floor black are the same color. The stuff we used on the trim and the walls actually comes off really easy once it starts to kind of dry. That garage stuff, that coating does not. Anyway, we're gonna do the second coating today. And other than some touch-ups, like the doors still technically need to be painted. We have a few touch-up items. Other than that, that's it. So we're going to get that done. This will be the last portion of this episode of the vlog series for the Academy. There'll be more. So I'm going to do another part there's a lot to do to get this place fully up to speed and online to what I'm trying to. I really appreciate you just being along for the journey. I appreciate your support in getting to this. It's just incredible that this is even real, that we're here, we're doing this, but we're here. I got a whole bunch of stuff ordered last night. I'm going to save as to how I'm going to do all this. Later, you'll see it all as it comes in. I've got a whole idea and everything mapped out in my head. I'm going to do the official reveal. This video is going to be coming out after that, but in tomorrow or Monday's live stream. So let's see, Monday is going to be, good question, what is Monday going to be? Monday is going to be 18th. So if you go check out episode 35 of the Chiller Questions Answered live series, that's going to be the reveal episode. I'm actually going to do something fun. I'm going to roll one of my turbo cores in. We're going to spend part of the episode just completely going over stuff about turbo cores and just having fun with it. And then I plan to do a walk around tour of the site as part of that stream. It's just going to be a kind of a fun, interactive walkthrough, breakdown, talk through of just the stuff and kind of showing everybody the Academy. And again, I'm going to bring you along as we get stuff moved in. Now, I'm only showing you the training portion of it. The other half of the facility is going to be tailored to my family and giving them a space. We homeschool kids, we do all that stuff. And so I need a place for them to be able to do their schoolwork and to do all the things they need to do in a day while I'm here working, and my wife also helps me in the business. And so everything ties together there. So I'm showing you just the portions of it that you're going to get to experience when you come here. So when you come for training and you are able to come to the Fredericksburg location specifically, this is what you're going to see. Everything is going to be tailored to this class and this practice. I really appreciate all of you. I've said that already. I need to say it more. Thank you. We're going to get the second coat done. This needs to sit over the weekend to fully cure. And then come Monday morning, it'll be ready to rock and roll. We're going to roll a turbo core in here, and we're going to get to work. See you guys. MTT. Make the time.